today I got ready, and I don't know why I got ready, but today's of course Saturday. What was that? Anyway, I got ready, and I used for my foundation, or whatever you want to say. I did not use foundation, but I did use a corrector, and it's from Chanel, this one right here. And I have the shade, I believe it's medium. Very, very hard to read. So that's what I did under my eyes, just kind of spot concealed or corrected. And then after that, I went with the setting powder from Givenchy. That's what I used to set my under eyes, not one eye. And then for my blush, I used the Gucci. This one is the pink one, number 3, I believe. I have it for, yeah, I have it for a while. This is what it looks like. Love this thing. And that's gonna last me for the rest of my life, I think, because I don't wear makeup as much, but whenever I do like to use that. And for my eyes, I did a little wing today, and I used Makeup by Mario, and this is his new palette that he dropped. And I used the brown and or the dark gray and blue for the wings. That's what I used for powder. And then for the the top portion, I used his another palette that's a limited edition from Makeup by Mario, and this is the one just kind of on the top. That's all I did. Nothing much, like nothing fancy today. For my mascara, I use these two right here. This is from the MAC Extend Play Lash right here. Love this thing. And then this is my just deluxe sample that I have. And I use this one, the YSL, for my lashes. And that's what I have. Lips, I use these two things. One from Makeup by Mario. Travis is the lip liner I used for, oops, wrong side. Travis is a pencil I lined with my lips, and for the gloss I use the Summer Friday. So this is the color. I do not know what color it is, and I'm not sure if this is the color name. These are, I think these are like the different language, but this is what I use for my inner lip. And that's all I have. I haven't set my face yet. I'm going to set it with Charlotte Tilbury. This is a new one. I have another one that's this, the stiffer thingy stopped working, so I just took the new one out. Ooh, I don't like this stiffer either. It shoots like, now it's of course gonna shoot really nicely. As soon as I use it on my face, it's like like spitting on me. Anyway, so that's what I did, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and all the stuff I will try to link down below. If you guys want to purchase, you can access from here. So thank you so much for watching. See you and catch you on my next video. Bye.